Hello everyone, today we will make this crochet earring design. For making this, I am using 3-ply cotton threads, earring hook, white pearl and jump ring, scissor, glue. I am using 11 number crochet hook and plier. Let's start with magic ring. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet, third triple crochet, one double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet. Now one triple crochet, again double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet, one triple crochet, second triple crochet, and third triple crochet. Now chain 1, 2, 3, connect in ring by slip stitch. Now I will tie the thread. Here it is. Here in 3 chain I will make 2 single crochet, first and second. Now this is the triple crochet, so I will make double crochet on top of this triple crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. In next triple crochet, again first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. In next triple crochet, again 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. So we made 3 double crochet on top of triple crochet. In next stitch, 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet. Now here in center this is a triple crochet, so I will make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet. Now on top of this triple crochet I will make again 3 double crochet, first, second and third. In second triple crochet here again I will make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. In last triple crochet again 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now here 3 chain, I will make 2 single crochet and connect here by slip stitch. Now here it is, I will cut the thread. Now we will make the flower. Let's start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip 3 chain. In 4th chain 1 double crochet. In next chain 1 double crochet. In next chain 1 half double crochet. In last chain 1 single crochet. Now connect in ring by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 3 chain. In 4th chain 1 double crochet. In next chain 1 double crochet. In next stitch 1 half double crochet. In last stitch 1 single crochet and now connect in ring by slip stitch. Again chain. So we will get this type of petals. I will make total 6 petals and complete my work. I have completed my work by making 6 petals. Now I will cut the thread and tie the magic rings thread. Here it is. Now I will apply starch back side of these parts. Now I will paste white bead in center of flower. Now we will attach these parts with the help of jump ring. Here it is. Now I will add the earring hook. Here it is. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.